Welcome back, you guys. We are out here on Sanibel tonight. The wind might make the audio bad, I'm hoping not. But we got the drone, we got 380 wides, tide's coming in. It's a little windy, but help keep the bugs off. This is the first night back of year 3 in Florida. So we're gonna see what we can do and hope you guys enjoy. There she goes. I'll go to the right. Bull.
I'll give you a harness.
First run of the night.
What's it gonna be?
I don't think it's a hammer though. What's that on the Stingray?
Yeah.
What's that on the 40-inch snook that we threw out there?
Is it backwards?
That's on back. Wait, just twist it around. Okay, that might be something bigger. All right, just set the hook. Ready? Is it ready? Yeah, it's ready. All right, I would set it. Oh my gosh.
My gosh.
Oh
Dude,
my gosh. Oh my
big
gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Is it still on there?
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna crank for you.
Hang on.
Here, get in the harness.
Oh yeah, dude, that's a good fit. He might just be using the phone too, but...
I don't know, dude. That rod bend like that.
Oh yeah,
Right.
dude, he's pulling. He's good.
Is that nice and snug on there?
Yeah. On the mystery bait. Mystery bait. I think it's a bull.
Wow.
All right, you guys aren't even gonna be seeing this fish unless we catch something bigger tonight. Because this is just like a little average 5 or 6 foot bull, probably 6. Little guy, you know, mouth shot. I don't want that to happen again.
Oh yeah, that hook is right in the corner there. Perfect. Good hook placement. Came right out.
All right, first one of the night.
All right, Andrew's gonna walk his little tiny shark out, but I'll see you guys when we get another one. Shark number 2 didn't even get the other one back out yet. Looks like he's just cruising with the surf.
Got him.
Nice.
That's a small one.
Small guy.
Filming it right now.
They're biting though. It's not even late yet. You got a lot of time and a lot of bait tonight.
Look at this. That was a beautiful hook set, though. Gotta say.
All right.
Hey, you got skunks?
Yeah. Skunks out of the bag for both of us.
Better. Not horrible.
Here, I'll let you leader him. I'll take the light. Oh, looks like you get to keep your bait too. Nice.
Put it on my bait?
Yep.
Let's go.
You got a lot of energy though.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, those are more than close to them.
Nice.
I like this deal. Like to grab the leader and this.
Oh yeah, he's got a lot of life still. Pliers is right there in the bucket. It's a decent little size.
You need them?
I mean, you don't want to get bit right away. Yeah, you'll need it. It's all the way through. Second one of the night. Here.
Got him.
Try to get the hook out on you. He ain't going nowhere. Staying out of bite range. All right, well, I had to cut the hook out. We couldn't get it. But it'll rust out in a couple days. Second shark of the night. There she goes. Number 2. Holy cow. Drone going out. Huge storm behind us, but it is nice. For the wind at least, keeps the bugs off us.
This one 200?
Third one. Yep. Or I should say, going on third shark. This reel's okay. This reel is so nice. I would highly recommend. Brand new.
There you go.
Good lord.
He's got it. I would just next.
That's what the tiger did.
Yeah.
Just these short little poles.
Yeah. Yep. Alright, stick them. Yep. Yep. Whoa.
Poles.
You got the harness?
No. Alright, guys. We'll see you when this tiny little shark gets in.
Whatever he is, he's really small. Oh yeah, there he is.
Is that black tip?
Yeah!
Oh yeah.
Let's go, dude. Let's go, brother. Oh my gosh. Shark number 3. That's a pretty nice black tip. Careful, watch your foot. Alright. Oh yeah. Good hook set. Go. Alright, hooks out. Another little shark. Third one of the night. Andrew wants to get his special release on him. We got this little guy in like 2 minutes, so he's just fine. Kids these days. A few small sharks tonight. Number 3. Going after a tiger or aiming for a hammer. The weather's pretty good. We got a few hours left. I'd stick them. Damn! What the heck, dude?
What do you think?
He just,
Cool, but I don't know.
dude, just absolutely flew with that.
On the Macaire 80.
Yep.
New reel, first fish. Smaller than we want, but take it. I mean, this rod also makes fish feel smaller than they are.
All right, first fish on the new reel. Another bull shark. He fought bigger. Put this on. All right. That's a decent one. I mean, I don't know why they're fighting so much harder, though. Yeah, sure. Stop the video there for a second.
Did that hook come out?
Yep, that was easy.
Answer my question.
Nice. All right, fourth shark, third bull of the night. 3 bulls, 1 black tip. It's probably the biggest one so far. 6.5 footer. All right, Andrew's gonna let him go. We got him in pretty quick, so he might not get a release. There he goes. So for those of you guys who are wondering, this is our bait tonight. This little stingray that we shot, and we put them in a little Walmart or grocery bag, and we're gonna cut them up. You actually don't need a huge bait. It's kind of nice. Me and Andrew's caught a couple hammerheads this year on something half the size, so worked fine. And then we got some more bait, but this is the best that we got for the night. So cut it up and fly her back out there. All right, going back out. Put another one on the board. Not the biggest sharks in the world so far tonight, but still a lot of fun. Considering we've caught how many now? A lot. All right, we just recycled that stingray, and we're gonna send her back out there. There she goes. Another one. Brand new reel, guys, breaking it in. No hammerheads tonight. At least not yet, but we're good. There we go. Alright guys, number 5. Feels about the same size, but we're gonna see here. He's pulling. I don't know what it is, the bulls right now that are pulling way harder than they have in the past. For the size, I mean.
They're just swimming with that current.
Something.
Alright, I'll go grab the harness for you.
Okay. POV, the new LBSF reel. We just got it today, spooled it with 200-pound hollow core and put about 150 yards of top shot, 200-pound mono on it, and she's doing pretty good. Smaller sharks tonight, but it's still fun, especially when they're in numbers. Getting close. Dude, I've re-spooled three reels today, and then come out here and this is shark number 4 for me. Jeez. Watch this, I'll do everything myself. You just record.
Alright, gotcha. If I don't gotta get wet this time, I'm all good, man. He's right there.
Same thing. Is that a black tip?
That's another bull.
Take the pliers.
There you go, good sir.
Get it up here.
There she is.
Get this hook out. Release timer. Start it now. We gotta get some practice in. Get a bird shot? Yep. Feisty.
Yeah, right there in the corner. No, I'm not. The barb isn't even in there. There you go.
There we go. Okay.
Alright.
About a minute. Grab a quick photo with this one. That's release timer right there. Alright. Shark number 5. Quick in and out. Give him a good tail slap. He's probably ready to go anyways, but just to get him. There he goes. Shark number 5. Bull shark 4 and 1 black tip tonight. Let's get another one.
Alright. Fish number 6. Little guy.
Got him?
Yep.
Nice. Quantity over quality tonight. That's how we do it. Been out here for like... Been out here for 3.5, 4 hours, yeah, I'd say. And 6 sharks. I'm reeling it backwards. They're there still. Ready?
Yep.
There you go. Alright. It's almost sitting there.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. Got the leader. That's a little guy. Are you pulling in my line too? What is happening there? Okay, that's weird. Oh, you good? got so much fight in him for such a small shark. He is feisty. Ugh, come on. Hold him. There you go. Hooks out. And back out. They are biting tonight, guys. Number 6. All right. Dang. That wire got chewed up. You can even see the coating right there is missing now. 6 sharks in one night. Not bad. Nothing huge, but it was one of those quantity over quality nights, but we'll take it. All right, you guys, that's gonna wrap up the first video of year 3 in Florida. I'm gonna be uploading this today. You guys have seen this right before if you're watching it today when I uploaded it. But those bulls were fighting so hard for being between 5 and 7 feet. We went out 2 nights ago and caught a couple as well, and they were just fighting so much harder than bulls that we've caught in the past that are around that size. So we are in search of a big hammer before school starts next week. So we're gonna be getting back out there tonight, and it is Saturday right now. So school starts in 2 days. So we're gonna try and get another one, but we did get a new reel here. So these were the setups I was running last night. I had the Abbott 80 TRX, the wide version, and a brand new Mac 80 as well, the land-based shark fishing edition. But we're gonna be running these again tonight in search of some bigger fish. So if you guys enjoyed, please hit the like button, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon.